How to access CapCut Space on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you access CapCut Space on mobile. So let's get started. On this process, at first, open the application CapCut on your device. Okay, so after you open the CapCut, you'll got such interface. So from here, make sure that you are logged in with your account on CapCut. So for that, tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right. And from here, you'll have to just do a login with CapCut. And after you log in with your account, you'll have to back from here and tap on the option edit just at the bottom left. Alright, so after you are in the edit section, on the project section, you can easily find the options like space just at the top right. And from here, you can easily access your cloud storage CapCut Space on your mobile. So from here, you can easily create a new space on your CapCut mobile. So for that, tap on plus icon just at the top right. Alright, from here you can easily create a space. Like you can also join any space on CapCut. So from here you can easily create a space, but that feature is limited as you have to pay for that, and you have the limited editor space on CapCut. So here is the default space I have, and it is the cloud based. So this is the easiest and simplest method to access CapCut space on mobile. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.